Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am doing a collab with Living It Gigi Ma Style, and I will link her channel below. The idea was we're taking Blythe dolls and we are making a Ren outfit, Renaissance. I knew that Mel had got married in the Renaissance fashion, but you'll have to watch her channel. Was it at a Ren fair? I'm not positive. But this is the outfit I made. I used Golda Rose because she has a doll just like it, and I thought maybe they'd be matching dolls. If she uses her other dolls, it's not a problem at all. Let me show you what my new machine can do. I have a new sewing machine. We're kind of getting along. It has fancy stitching, which I did around the edge. It's supposed to look embroidered, which it is, but of course theirs was hand embroidered. I did actually four, one's underneath, lines on the corset, and then I took embroidery thread and I made my lacing. I did use fingernail polish, clear fingernail polish at the very ends to secure those together. And then I just made her a little camisole for underneath. I'm really pleased. I love this doll. 2 times, 3 times, probably 4. I have thought about trimming up her hair, but I really like the length, and even though it's a little choppy, I'm good with it. She has such a pretty face. I did not do that face up. She came that way. So this is my Ren dress for the collab with Living It Gigi Ma Style. Please go by and see what she's made today. Oh, and I put the little blue shoes on that Darren makes. I absolutely love these little fast and easy stay on the foot shoes. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.